I'm Sarah Hymanson. I'm one of the chefs and owners of Kismet in Los Angeles. I made just a very simple, I think lovely persimmon salad. It was just the very beginning of persimmon season here in Los Angeles, and they're a combination of chocolate and not. And I just peeled them and then I shaved them thinly on a mandolin and dressed them in raw shallots, fresh lemon juice, olive oil, salt. Spread them out on a plate and topped them with fried capers, fried rosemary, crunchy, salty, savory little bits, and fresh cracked pepper. And I'm gonna just continue to plate this persimmon salad. We have a combination of types, though they're mostly chocolate persimmon. Secret, I don't love persimmon. People are obsessed with persimmon. I don't love it, but I like this because we're treating persimmon in a really, really savory way. So we have it dressed with some raw shallot, just simply olive oil, salt, and then I am going to cover it in super savory fried capers and rosemary and black pepper. We like all of our food very juicy, so I'm gonna put some extra vinaigrette around. I mean, really though, what an incredible looking fruit. And so many people in Southern California have them growing in their yards. Does really, really well here. That is all. And then I'm just gonna top it with some crispy rosemary. Sarah and I were originally thinking of like a scallop and persimmon kind of carpaccio type dish. And then we were trying it and we were like, actually, let's just leave out the scallop and just do persimmon. And when you fry capers, they get really, really salty. But persimmon has almost no acidity and it's very, very sweet. So it's a nice complement. So it's a very simple dish highlighting the persimmon. There you go.